This video illustrates how you add files to a Canvas course. I am currently logged in as a Canvas instructor in my English 400 course. Again, we have our left-hand navigation menu, our center content screen, and our right-hand edit bar where we're able to do things to this center content screen. Over in the left, although grayed out, I have my Files button. Even though it's grayed out, all that means is that the students cannot see the Files button, but the instructor can still click on it and access it. When I go into the Files button, I'm able to see all the files that I have in this course. Any file that I link anywhere in the course can be added to the Files section. And then as you're making assignments, discussions, etc., you can pull these files into those specific assignments and activities from this Files button. And I will show you how to do that. First of all, here are a number of files that I've already added. These files, CS files, have come from Blackboard. And as you'll see, I have to drill down quite a bit to be able to access what the item actually was in Blackboard. So I have to make several clicks before I find out that this was my Martin PDF. This will not happen when you upload new files into Canvas. So that's an example of what files imported from Blackboard look like. If you want to add a new file to Canvas, you simply click on Add Files. I can select a file I want to add. It lets me know it's uploading, and it'll appear in my files list. I can also organize these files by folders. Additionally, if I minimize my course and simply want to drag and drop files into a course, I can do that as well. I can drag a file in and drop them, and it will automatically load into my file list. Finally, the last thing that you can do is zip files. If I minimize out of my course momentarily, right-click on my desktop to create a new folder, drag a number of files into that folder, and zip the folder, which might be something you're unfamiliar with. To zip the folder, right-click on the folder, go to Send To, and select Compressed Zipped Folder. I've now created a version of the same folder that's still on my desktop that's now zipped. Now I can return to my Canvas course, take my zipped files folder, and drag and drop that folder file into this course. It will ask me if I want to use this file folder that's zipped. I say OK. It's going to extract and upload those files. Once I've uploaded the files that I want to use within my Canvas course, I can select where I want to use those files. For example, if I go to Modules, I'm able to add an item to module, select File, and here's a list of all of the files that I have available in my course. I can select that file, click Add Item, and the item will appear in my module. There are also additional ways to add files to specific areas in the course, and those will be covered in more detail in other tutorial trainings.